Hello guys, so in today's video I'm going to be showing you how you can add a template on CapCut. Okay, so first and foremost, come to your CapCut application. So it's here, mine. I'll tap on it. So when you come to your CapCut application, wait for it to load. Okay, so when your CapCut application has finished loading, okay, please ensure that you're on the latest version of CapCut. Okay, if you're not on the latest version of CapCut, you will head over to Play Store and download the latest version. Okay, so you come to this pencil icon here. Okay, you can come to this pencil icon here, or you can come to view all. So I'll tap on this pencil icon here. Okay, so when I tap on it, this is what it will show. Okay, so as you can see, templates is the last option. Okay, so I'll select templates. As you can see, we don't have any templates, and here they're telling us templates will appear here. Okay, so in order for us to make templates, just come and tap on new project. Okay, so let me choose something I'm going to edit here. Okay, let me choose a random video. So let me choose a video of this person dancing. Okay, so this is just a random video. I'm going to edit it into a template. Okay, so maybe let me add something here. Okay, let me leave that. Okay, if you want, you can add anything, just basic edits. Okay, so I'll add that. Okay, so when you're done editing your video, as you can see, I'm done editing my video. That's all I wanted to do. If you're done editing your video, okay, come to this arrow here, which is pointing up. Okay, so when you tap on that arrow, you've exported your template. Okay, so we are basically saving our template, and this video we have edited will appear in our templates. Okay, yeah, so that's how you can edit any template, or that's how you can edit or create a template on CapCut. Okay, so after saving this video, following the procedures I've showed you, where you've got the template from, where you've got the new project from, you will find this video that we have edited in the templates section. Okay, so that's all, guys. Okay, so if you found value in this video, please consider subscribing, hit the like button, and we shall meet in the next video.